Welcome to Wind Energy Career Gags. In this series, we are learning about wind power installed capacity contribution from each state. In this session, especially, we are dedicating to the Andhra Pradesh, and we are going to learn what is the total installed capacity from Andhra Pradesh. Also, how the year-on-year contribution from that particular state. What is the historical data available from the beginning? Also, you will see what is the ranking of that particular state in terms of total installed capacity. You will also get a gift from us, a learning gift. End of the video. Let us start. Hi, welcome to Wind Energy Career Gags. I'm R. Mahendran. As I said, in this session, we are going to learn what is the contribution from Andhra Pradesh in terms of wind installed capacity in the India's progress of achieving the green energy goals. The state is now standing in the position of number 6 in terms of contribution to the wind energy sector. Most of you know it. If not, please note this point. It will be helpful for you. Okay, next thing is we will be learning like what is the total installed capacity here. What is the total installed capacity? So based on that only this ranking is coming. So the latest data available with us as per that, like this is what I would like to thank you at this moment for Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, also Ministry of Power, keeping this information available for the common people like us. So it's really inspiring for us to look into the how the each states are contributing, and a lot of decision making. This is also very much helpful. So for that reason, I would like to thank them. So here you can see the state now in the position, like the sixth position. You can see top 5 states. Now they are in sixth position, and their total installed capacity 4096.65 megawatt totally. Okay, this is the total position, and their year-on-year contribution. Let us see. Like Andhra Pradesh, I am changing. Okay, here you can see the trend. The first data is showing like till 2002 March 31st March 2002, the total installed capacity is 93.2 megawatt in this state. Okay, so after that, whatever you are saying, it's a year-on-year trend. Okay, every year how much new addition happened. You can see many years there is no much contribution from the state, but 2010, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, but it is a very like sometime I worried about it. The reason is these periods, like whenever we don't have like much of year, like we studied so many sites during that time, and when measurement is going and all, but 2011 12 you can see something started like from here 2011 10 9 10 itself 13.6 megawatt, and 10 11 55.4 megawatt, and 11 12 54.1 megawatt, and 12 13 2 not 202 megawatt, and 13 14 298.5 megawatt, and 14 15 again 285, 15 16 362.5 megawatt. The very important golden period of Andhra Pradesh in terms of installed capacity in a single year, 2187.5 megawatt. It's a huge number, like really amazing. If they follow the same trend, it is really amazing for us to like anyway for India. It's really going to help. 2017-18, it is like 344.1 megawatt. After that, 123.5 megawatt. After that, 2 megawatt only. 2020-21, 4.2 megawatt. Now, little bit no like input from there. Let us see how the country, like the state, is going to progress in this way. We wish again Andhra should come back with more installation, and it should contribute to the renewable energy sector. That is what I am also expecting. And now it is coming to the time to share you the gift for you. So as we said already, like I believe strongly that one of the asset or very important asset, if you want to share to the next human being as a human being, is a knowledge. So to support you to learn continuously, and improve yourself and contribute to the sustainable development of you and your career and sustainable development of your family and to the society. Knowledge is playing very important role. That's the main reason we are opening up, like in our website, dedicated pages for learning process. Here you can learn, like you can visit our website sustainablelifestylehub.com. There you can see like RE quiz. There are two way you can learn in this website itself, like multiple way you can learn. These are the dedicated pages for only renewable energy and wind energy professionals. So here you can participate in the quiz. Also you can ask the question, like you can yourself you can learn one way. Another thing is like you can ask a question to us. So here you can see like there are already quizzes available in terms of technology, and case studies also available. Many case studies I will be going to add here. Also the wind energy basic related quiz also available. Already we build almost more than thousands of quizzes. Once it's added, really it is like, if anytime if you want to come and take a quiz again and again, no problem, you can take it. Not only that, you will be going to get the real prizes and certificate for that, a certificate also for that, for taking participate in these quizzes. So here you can see all the winners related information, everything given here. Please check it out. Second way, you can ask your priority questions time to time, whatever you are getting. Like if you click here, share your priority question section, you will be taken to the dedicated quiz form, like your question form, important, your higher priority question form. So from here, like you can fill it out at a time, 5 questions. You can ask us, like if you want to add more questions, you can also ask more questions afterwards. Minimum 1 questions, maximum 5 questions at a time. But you can keep this bookmark for your future users. Anytime you can ask the questions. I don't want to miss any question. That is the main reason I am asking you to like fill this form and share the question with us. Second thing is like you can also share your questions and everything in the like comment section. I don't want to miss any question. That is the main reason I am giving these structures. Like what are the area I already know, for that I can answer. But if the area which are not known to me, I will also consult with the people who are expert in that particular area of domain. So that answer will reach you either in the video format or interview format or text format or blog post format. Any format you will get it. Okay, so if you are shared the email ID with that quiz, that update also come to you. There are already some questions I am seeing in the other videos. Like we will continuously share our questions. You can share your questions. We can share our whatever the answer for them. That will also help you to grow in terms of yourself and your career. It will also contribute. Also, you can contribute to the sustainable development of your family and to the society. I see you in the next video. I hope this is helpful for you. If you found this helpful, you can share with your friends and family members or whoever you believe that will help them. You can also, if you are not subscribed, subscribe to our channel. I will see you with a lot of valuable information in the next session, so that you will continue grow in terms of wind energy knowledge and more than beyond that. See you in the next session. Thank you very much.